Yes, everyone. Come on, join in quickly. Good, right? Now, what we are going to do is, first of all, we will take a quick recap. है ना? Right? Let's do it quickly. So, first of all, we will draw a clock, right? And to draw a clock, we will draw a round. Come on, everyone, draw a round using the bangle or cap of bottle, right? Come on, do it. Right? Come on, everyone. Yes, in the notebook. Yes, of course, Param. In the notebook only. Yes. Right? And then, Aish, 12, 3, 6, 9. We will write down the numbers in between them. Come on, everyone. Yes? Come on. Do it quickly, everyone. And as I had told you last year also, in case you find bit difficult to draw the round, and in case it is bit difficult for you, you can go for a square also, right? You can go for a big square also, no problems, right? You can go for a square also, no issues, you can do it. Come on. Yes. Come on, everyone. Yes. Then let's just come on now, right? First we will draw the R hand. We know that R hand is the shortest hand. Yes, we have to draw square also, not necessary, Param. This is for those who don't have anything with which they can draw a good circle. Okay, come on. Then for minute hand, I'm going to use blue color. Okay. Mm. Right, blue color. And for second hand, I'm going to use green color. Right? Okay, everyone. Come on, everyone, do it quickly. Right? So, what do we have here? We have got our hand, right? Then minute hand, and then we have got second hand. Okay, come on. Right, there are three hands. Yes, green is second hand. Yes, very good. Yes, Param. Right? Yes. Okay. Now, for this chapter and for now, we won't be focusing on the seconds, है ना? अभी seconds को ध्यान नहीं देना है, हम seconds बाद में देखेंगे. First of all, we will talk about hour and minute hand only, है ना? Right? So I'm going to remove that. Okay? Yes, that you already know what is second hand, but for now we will talk about this two only. So come on, everyone, this is your chance. Send me what is the time in the chat box. Come on, give the answer in the chat box. In the chat box, Param, what is the time? Right, let's see. Yes, very good, Vrinda. Correct answer. Very good. Yes, Harnil, Vedant, Arya, all correct. Very good. Param, yes. Jia, Daksh, very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yes, all answers are correct so far. That's great. That is great. Yes, Arjo. Sorry, who was that? Just a second. Uh, yeah, Arjo. Okay, right. Let's see. Yes, the correct time is 9:05. Why do we write 05? Can anyone explain? Let's see who can explain. Who wants to give it a try? Let's ask. Shall we ask? Uh, Nidhi. Yes, Nidhi. Can you please explain why am I
Yes,
writing?
sir.
Why why would I write 9:05 and not 9:5? Why would I write 9:05?
Because the minute hand is
Yes. Yes. Minute hand is okay. Let's try with Param. Yes, Param. Yes, Param. Yes, Param. Speak up, beta.
there is no second number.
Second number, as in
Uh, 5.
yes, like if it goes at 2, right, then it will be 9 and 10, right? Okay, that is why when we are talking about minutes, it has to be written in 2 digits up to 9 minutes. Okay, right? So what we have, this is something which you have learned from third standard also, that each number over here, it is actually multiplied by 5. Correct? Each number here is multiplied by 5 when we are talking about what? Minutes, है ना? So when the minute hand is at 1, it is 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10, right? Yes. Yes, clear everyone? Understood? Not understood? Anand, are you there with me? Where is he? Anand? Yes, Anand. Did you understand? Good. Very good. Right. And who else has kept their videos off? Let's see. Preet? Yes, very good, Param. The clock is just like table of 5. That is correct. Yes, very good. Very good. Right. So I'm going to clean this all. Right. Now, if you remember, last year I had told you about two types of clocks. है ना? One is called as analog clock and the other is called digital clock. Right? Yes. So let's see what is an analog clock. Like what we just saw here is an analog clock. Right? This is an analog clock, right? A clock or watch is called analog when it has moving hands and usually hours marked from 1 to 12 to show you the time. Instead of 1 to 12 numbers like this, right? Like the this regular numbers, sometimes they also come with Roman numerals, or in some cases there are no numbers, right? No numbers written, only big dots for marking 12, 6, 3 and 9. है ना? Right, everyone? Yes, sometimes there will be clocks like analog clock is in Roman number, not necessarily Param, right? It can be this English numbers also, regular numbers also, right? And sometimes no numbers. That even then it can be called analog clock as long as it has got the three hands, है ना? And sometimes some of the clocks they don't have these hands. Some designer clocks, they will have just the circles moving around, right? You will see lots of different types of clocks, some different designs, right? If you go to a clock shop, right, you will find very different designs, wonderful designs. Okay. Yes, so that is called an analog clock. Yes, And Vrinda wants to say about the digital clock. Where is she? There she is. Yes, Vrinda.
So
Mm-hmm.
digital lock is like it's not like how the analog
Right.
turn, like let's say it's 11 o'clock at night, so it's like 23.0, and then it's like when the alarm is on, so it's like it rings, so it's like a box, and then in there is like a few numbers of which the time is written.
Very good. That is correct. Yes. And it is not necessary. I would like to correct you here that it is not necessary that it will always show the time in 23 or numbers like that. Sometimes it shows 11, 12 also. But then there will be a marker which we will learn later on what is AM and PM, right? That we will see in the next session. Okay. Right. That we will also learn. But let me show you what a digital clock looks like. Okay. Just a second. Give me a second here. Uh, Digital clock. All right, let's go to just a second. Yeah, okay. Right, so I'll be sharing the screen again. Just a second. And here we have it. Yes. So this is what a digital clock or watch looks like, right? Nowadays, most of the households, they would be having this type of digital clock, like the one which you are seeing here. Anna, in this one, they have showed the time, right? Then there will be date, day, temperature also. So many things are put on display, right? As you can say, right? So I'm using numbers, not hands. That is a digital clock. Okay, right? Everyone understood? Yes. Everyone understood this? Everyone clear is everyone clear on this? Rajvi, all good? Give me thumbs up if you have understood so far. Very good. That's wonderful. Pant, where are you, beta? There you are. Right. Understood? All clear up to this point? That's great. That's great. Okay. So let's do some practice. Hannah, let's do some practice. I'm going to put some numbers, right? Put some numbers that you have to show it on the clock. Okay. And I'll draw some clocks and then you will have to read the time from them. Okay. So let's do first one in your notebook. The time is 12:15. Come on. You have to draw this. First, you have to draw clock. Either you can go for circle or a square. It is entirely up to you. Okay, not a problem. You can go for either circle or a square, whichever is easy for you. But you have to show 12 o'clock and 15 minutes. Come on. Come on, everyone. Let's do it. Very okay, Param. Yes, we will take this up tomorrow. Hai na? When we have next session, we will talk about AM PM also. All right? Come on, everyone. Let's do it. Dhwani, come on, work on it, beta. Rudra, Preet, Harnil, if it is possible, please keep your video on. Bhavya, Man, come on. If possible, keep your video on. In the school, there is one clock like that clock. Which one, beta? Digital or yes, digital clock is there at the entrance. Very good. Daksh, you remember. I'm so happy you remember the school. That's good. Very good. Now see, Durva has drawn one clock here. Okay, as everyone can see it. Yes, right? Are you watching it? Durva, can you please show it? Arya has done it. Yes. Okay, there you are. All right. Okay. Can anyone else show me? Right, Arya. Good. Very good. If you keep your video on, then only I can see it, beta. Yes. Hit. It's not in focus, beta. Can you please move it a little bit? Very good, Pant. Oh yes, Pant. Very good. Add spotlight. See, now you can see two different timings written, right?
Yeah.
One is by Durva and one is by Pant. Okay, right? So whose answer is correct and who has made a tiny mistake? Yes, Niranjan, you want to say something? Yes, Niranjan.
I can
Yes.
say something about AM and PM.
Sorry.
I can say something about PM and AM.
Okay, just a minute, beta. Before that, let's solve this one, है ना? Then I'll give you the chance to speak up, है ना? Right? See, when you draw the circle, right, and you have done the timings 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. I'm writing it outside sometimes inside, so that it becomes easy for me to show you, है ना? Right? And as we have decided, I will change the colors also, right? So the time is 12 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so the hour hand, sorry, the hour hand will be near to 12, right? In the minute hand, which we are going to show in blue, will be right. The minute hand is at 15, right? So the hour hand, we already know this. You have done this in third standard, that the hour hand is little bit shorter. The minute hand is a little bit longer, and the longest one is seconds hand, है ना? Right? So correct answer is this one, right? Not the one. Durva, can you show me again, please? Show me your work, beta. Yes, Radip, I'll give you a chance. Just a minute. Yes, Durva, can you please show it to me? Your notebook. Yes, Durva. Can you show me your work, your notebook, beta, please? See what she has done, right? There, she has made the R hand nearby. That's too much of noise in the background. Sorry, right? She has made a small mistake, right? She has made the R hand at 3. That will be 3 o'clock, right? It's 3 o'clock, right? Okay, everyone, clear on this one? Okay, let's do a second one. Let's try another one. Okay, number 2, right? Now here you have to read the time. Okay, I'm going to draw the timings first. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2. Okay, and right, come on, answer it. Send me the answer in the chat box. Come on. Very good, Rinda, Param. Sia, check your answer again, beta. Check your answer again. Dhwani. Oh, Anand, Param, yes, Vedant, very good. Right. Okay. So I told you that our hand is written in red, right? Our hand is shown by red color. So what is the time? It is showing nearby 5, right? So when our hand is at that number, that is the time for or the hour. So 5, it's right. So how do we write this number this time? It is 5, okay, and then 2 dots, right? 2 dots here. Then the minute hand is on which number? 2, right? So 2 5s are 10. So we have got 5 clock and 10 minutes, 5 hour and 10 minutes. Okay. And how do we read it? Yes. How do we read it? We read it 5 hours and 10 minutes. Okay. Right. One way of writing it in words is, sorry, 5 hours and 10 minutes. Sorry, this extra handwritings, I don't know why it keeps coming, right? It is minutes here, right? Yes. Yes, Param, you have to draw this one. Now, can someone tell me, is there another way of write or reading this number this time? Is there another way? Can anyone remember from the third standard? Right? Yes? Does anyone remember? How can we read this in a different way? Yes, Hit? Do you remember? Is there another way of reading this number? No, you don't remember?
Sir, I forgot.
It's okay, beta. That's all right. That is all right. Come on. Yes, anyone else? Harnil, where is he? There he is. Yes, Harnil.
Yes, sir. It called 15 minutes past to.
Hmm. 15 minutes past to 2. Well, you have given partially correct answer, beta. There past is correct, but then the numbers are different. Let's see who else can give it a try. Niranjan. Yes, Niranjan,
Yes, sir.
you want to answer this one?
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
तो पहले रिजल्ट किया था ना AM PM के लिए, इसीलिए कह रहा था.
Acha, acha, acha. No, that is done. Okay, wait a second. Now, Shikha, let's see Shikha. Yes, Shikha. Yes, Shikha.
सर वो गलती से रेज हैंड हो गया
Okay, no problems, beta. No problems. All right. Yes, Harnil. Yes, Harnil. Harnil. There he is. Yes, Harnil. Bolo.
15 minutes to 10. 5 o'clock to 10.
Okay, very close. This is very close. Now, anyone else? Yes, Kanani.
Sonali, you answer.
AM
It's not right.
No, not AM PM, beta. Not AM PM. Hardi. Let's try with Hardi. Yes, Hardi.
5 o'clock after 10 minutes.
5 o'clock after 10 minutes. Just the positioning is to be made different. Just the positioning. Right. Yes, Brinda.
Yes. Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I said
10 minutes past 5.
Very good. Correct answer. Yes. It is 10 past 5. Okay. In full sentence, it will be said as like Vrinda said, 10 minutes past 5 o'clock. Okay. Right. Or in short, we can say it 10 past 5. Okay. It is a common accepted thing that when you are talking in this way, past or to, right? So when you talk about past, it will be said as 10 past 5. Okay, let me write it for you, right? It can be said as 10 past 5. Okay, we can write it, we can say it like this, right? Okay, yes, everyone understood? Yes, right? And I saw that somebody had written this in the chat box also, that it is 50 minutes to 6, but we don't write 50 minutes, right? In this way of seeing things, we go for half, right? Okay, so if the minutes are more than 30, then we can say that 30, if say for example, if 35 minutes is already there, if the time is 5:35, then we can say 25 minutes, right, to 6, right? That in 6 o'clock, 25 minutes are still to go, right? This is something which you have learned in third standard, right? This was just a revision. Okay, so in this chapter what we are going to do is, right, from tomorrow onwards, first we will learn about AM PM. Okay, right? Then what next? Then we are going to draw clocks, right, and show the timings, and then later on addition and subtraction of time also, right? This is what we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, right? Well, that's it for the day, everyone, right? So the time is, like, the class is about to end, and as usual, what do we do at the end of the session, right? It's that time, the exercise time. Rotate your neck, right? Rotate your head 5 times clockwise. Ah, very good, Vedant. See, Vedant is showing us, right? Yes, right? So 5 times clockwise, right? And 5 times anti-clockwise. And what is it? Clockwise and anti-clockwise. You are doing it, but then how does it work? Okay, that we will see it tomorrow. And then 5 sit-ups, right? Okay, everyone. That's it for the day. Bye bye.